Got your Instagram account banned and nothing else is working? Here's how you might recover it through legal action, step by step. First, try all regular appeal methods. Open the Instagram app, go to Get Help Signing In, and follow the instructions to request a review. If you already did that and got denied or no response, then this next step is for you. Instagram is owned by Meta, and they are legally required to respond to certain formal complaints. Go to the Facebook Meta Data Policy Help Center. There you can submit a data access request or report account wrongful suspension. But if Meta doesn't respond, the next step is to send a formal extrajudicial notification, also known as a legal notice. You can do this through a lawyer or use online platforms that generate formal legal requests. In many countries, including Brazil, the US, and EU nations, companies must respond to formal legal requests within a certain time or risk liability under consumer protection or data laws. But even that doesn't work. You can file a small claims lawsuit or a formal judicial complaint in your country's civil court, claiming damages for wrongful suspension or access denial. Several users have had accounts restored after initiating legal action, especially when the account was linked to business use or verified status. And that's how you escalate a banned Instagram account to legal recovery. Good luck, and see you in the next tutorial.